Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to stock your pantry with some really quick meal ideas, then I want to show you this light Progresso soup. This is the ZESTY Santa Fe style chicken soup, and this is a really nice option to keep on hand for a quick meal. So this is a ready to eat soup. You're not going to add any water or anything like that. And you can really easily heat it up either in the microwave or on the stovetop. It takes no time at all, and then you are ready to eat. So this is a lighter version of soup, so it has less calories than other traditional versions of the soup. So it has 160 calories per can and also 11 grams of protein, which is nice. And it's just a really tasty soup. So it is a chicken broth based soup. It has rice, chicken, black beans, it has corn, tomatoes, it's got a little bit of spice to it. It's not very spicy, but there's a little kick. There's some chipotle and other spices in there. So overall, it is a really tasty soup, and it's great to have it on hand. It's great if you're looking to cut calories, and it's just something that's quick and easy and very convenient. So I would recommend it, and that's my point of view.